Have you ever wanted to create an ebook online, but you just don't have that time on your hand and it's just too expensive to outsource? You've come to the right spot. So drum roll, introducing Sqribble. So the world's #1 ebook creator. Hey everybody, my name is Anna. Welcome to Sqribble. So yes, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a quick step-by-step guide on how to create an ebook online in Sqribble. Without further ado, let's get started. We are here at the computer screen. Before we get started, don't forget to click that big red subscribe button with that bell notification icon selected to all so you can stay updated when Sqribble launches all their new video content. Let's get to it. All right, over here, we're at the computer screen. So what you will do is you will go to Sqribble.com. It will bring you to this website here. You will hit get Sqribble now, sign up, put in all the information, everything. And once you are activated and all good to go, it will bring you to your Sqribble dashboard. So this is the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens in your creation on creating your ebook with Sqribble. So what you can do to get yourself started, you can click on Start Scribbling, or you can go to Projects. You will click on New Project, and this is where the templates are. Step 1 is you choose a template. If you upgrade your account, you will have access to more templates. So I do highly recommend it. And this is what you will see in my account. Go ahead, pick one. Like, there's lots to choose from. Having access to so many templates is what makes it easy in creating this ebook for yourself. So if you click on the view, you can view a certain template that you like. So let's just quickly go through it. Table of contents, page 1, page 2, page 3 looks good, page 4, awesome. When you are ready for it, you can click the use. So let's click use. And over here, you're gonna name your ebook. Click on create your ebook. So step 2 is adding your content. So over here, these options on the right on the taskbar, we will talk about those afterwards because that's something towards the end of the project. These options over here, like settings is settings, you click on settings, you can customize it to your own. Pages, same as pages. In elements, over here you have all your elements, like from your cover, your headlines, what you want to add, what you want to take away. The colorizer, you can customize whatever color you like there's so many to choose from here. Over here, the grid, so you can do it in light mode or dark mode, but the grid is actually a great feature because it helps you navigate. So not so much here, but it's when you get into the body of the ebook template. So like over here, so it looks professional, narrow and wide or both, right? So you can pick narrow and it'll make the grid marks narrow, or you can click on wide and it'll widen them, or you can have both. If I clicked adding content, you can start from an article in the collection over here. You can preview it, then click add content and it would add it. You can copy and paste a text and then add content as well, or you could even upload a Word file from your computer, like right over here if you click on choose file, or you can grab it from a URL. You can put it into here and then add it. If you just went over this box over here, if you click it, it will give you the cross arrow navigation thing. So this allows you, if you press it, this icon allows you to navigate it wherever you like it to be. This icon moves it to another page. So if I clicked this, picking which page where I want it to go, press go and it will transition it into the other page. This one is your settings. You can change the fonts, the colors, you can align it. You could change the font size here. If you just want a quick tool just to work with it quickly, let's highlight this and say I wanted it bold. You can change it to italic, you can underline it, you can change the alignment left, center, right, or the other one. Here is the text color. If I wanted to change it to something different, let's say yellow. Over here is a background color. If I wanted to change something, I can pick it. So now this customization is your step 3. You're gonna customize it. So this is how you are customizing it. These are your headlines. You can also press this and it will let you choose an element that you want to add. So like a text block, a headline, a button, image feature, table. that's when you want to add something. So over here, you can change the author name. If you move down to the table of contents, so anything in the body that you've been working with and you've made changes to, if you click that generate table of content tab there, it will auto populate and generate it into the table of contents for you. So anytime you make any changes, it will do that for you. Here are the table of contents. You can customize it, same thing. If you highlight it, it will bring that up. All the customizations, just like before, are all there. If we go over here to the next one, so over here, the image. So this tool you will be using a lot throughout because you want to make it look professional. So you want to add images. So over here, if you clicked on it, think this is a navigational tool. You can move it around wherever you would like it. If you click on it, it will bring you the panel where you can customize it a little bit more. But let's say I didn't want it, or I wanted to add another one. So you click on the plus and it gives you the choices of elements to choose. So if I picked single image, let's say I wanted this something right over here. So when you click on it, the panel that comes up over here, you can actually put the image URL in, or what you can do is click this plus sign button. And from here, you could either upload by clicking here from your PC, or you have stock images in the next one over. So you can choose the stock category from here, whichever one you want. Like over here is stock accounts. So it's just the website like Pixabay, Icon Finder, Flickr, and so forth. Go to system images. It will also give you some stock images to work with. Over here are system backgrounds and Web 2.0 icons as well. And then you'd go submit. There you are, there you have it. Same thing. Okay, so now you have your image. So once again, with the navigational tool here, you can maneuver it wherever you like. Same as the texts, the paragraphs, move them over so it looks proportionate. Like I said, use the grid to align it. There you have it. So now let's move on to the next one. Same over here. This is where this step 3 comes in, is that you can customize it whichever way you like. Just the basics are here. Here are most of your tools. More tools are in the settings on the side panel. Change titles. Same thing goes for the other one. All your elements to add are there. Okay, so once we are done, we like it. We have our page numbers, the authors here, titles, your paragraphs, table of contents. So now if you want to, let's say, send it to a client. So you'd go over here to publish, and then you would select a client. Either you'd have it already in your dropdown, or you can add a new client. And this is where you would create a new client, select pages, all pages, and publish. But if you want to generate your ebook, you'd come over here to generate ebook. There it is. It's successfully been generated. So you can either view it online or download it as a PDF. And that is how simple this is. There you have it, everybody. That is the end of that tutorial. Was it easy? I told you it was easy. Sqribble has so many templates for you that half the work is already done. It's just putting in your content, customizing, and you are done. And within minutes, you have an ebook created online. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of the other tutorials on Sqribble, and I shall see you all at the next one.